Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment and share. Now I am heading to a co-worker of mine event, but I don't think I'll be able to video because of the noise, but whatever I can do and cut out the noise, I will do it, guys. It's my little Sunday evening out, and of course I'm wearing all white. It's an all white affair, so I'm just going to support, so taking you guys along to see how much I can capture. See you soon. Hi my friends on YouTube. This is you know who, right? Hey guys, Sunday evening out, all white. Let me show you my all white Sunday evening out, guys. We're doing it. We're doing it. And today I'm taking you guys in the kitchen with me to do some seasoned rice, or some people call it cook up or one pot. So guys, stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today for you I'll be doing a pot of seasoned rice. So first I have my garlic. I shred it with my onion, my scallion. I have here my saltfish already soak and pick up. I have my pumpkin and carrot dice. Here I have some cabbage cut, and I have some green peas, and of course I have my coconut milk, which I blend my coconut and juice it. So, and I have akis to put in it too. Let me show you my akis. This is my aki, guys. I have aki to put in it also. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn my stove on and start. I'm gonna pour some oil in the pot to saute my vegetable, and as soon as it is hot enough, I'm gonna pour in my seasoning and take you from there. So let me see if it is hot. Yes, I don't like it to be too hot. That's when you put it in. This is my time. I don't like it to be too hot, so when you put it in, everything is just popping up all over the place. No, I don't like that. So take its time. So guys, I'm gonna put my thyme in now. Let everything fry. I'm gonna do my saltfish because I want the flavor to be in the oil. I want to get the flavor from the saltfish in it. So I'm adding the saltfish to it. And I'm gonna allow this to saute. So my saltfish is sauteing now. I'm going to add my cabbage. I'm adding my carrot and my pumpkin. And I'm adding my green peas. So guys, this is my pumpkin noodle. But what I do, I rinse it. I strained it because I don't want the noodle in it. So I just use some water to rinse the noodle and strain it. So I just want the flavor from the noodle and not the noodle itself. Look at the color of this, guys. You can see it, right? Now to this, I'm going to add my coconut milk. I'm adding my coconut milk. And guys, you have to taste this because the noodle is already salty. So you don't want it to be too salt. The noodle is already salty. The saltfish still have a little salt in it. So you don't want it to be too salty, so you know, you taste it. So I'm going to allow this to cook for the pumpkin to be cooked on the carrot. Then I will add my rice. Guys, I'm going to add my ackee in now. The ackee is already cooked, so that's the reason why I did not put the ackee before. I'm just adding the ackee now, and I'm going to put the rice in also. I'm just going to get the rice prepared and put it in. So guys, I'm adding my pepper for spice. I'm going to put butter. I like when butter in my rice. Who don't like it don't have to put it, but I like butter in my rice. And as I said to you, taste it again. Guys, this don't need no more salt. So I'm going to go ahead now and put my rice in. I already wash it. I already washed my rice, guys. So, and don't worry to see the rice on top like this because there's a lot of pumpkin inside it, vegetable. The rice is going to show like that. So I'm going to stir this in. And I'm going to allow this to simmer, guys. Steam. I'm going to turn the flame down low as soon as the water starts to leave the rice, and I'll get back to you. So guys, there we have it. It's ready. Can you see, guys? Let me show it to you. Because what I did was to turn the flame down very low. Turn the flame down very low so that it could steam. You see this? So I'm turning it off because it is ready, guys. So there you have it, my seasoned rice. Some people call it one pot cook up. You know, I call it my seasoned rice. So there it is. Thank you all. So if you make it to the end of this video, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this meal. It's been a while I haven't been in the kitchen. I hope you guys enjoy this. I know my co-worker is going to enjoy it too because they requested it. I cook it and take it to work, and some people requested it. So I hope you guys enjoy this little video with me. I'm going to show you guys something that I made today. So guys, this is a seasoned blend that I make. And it is a blend of garlic. I won't tell you everything that is in it. It's my special blend to season your meat, all natural. So guys, it is nice, flavorful to season your meats. Anyone interested can contact me on Instagram to get their seasoning to season their meat. Guys, you just marinate your meat with it and leave it for a while, and nothing more you need with it. So this is my seasoning. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye.